Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be another technical review. Also, by the way, I'm going to be shooting this video on the Canon M50 in 4K. On both cameras, I've got one camera in front of me and then I got one up top to do two shots with the Canon EOS M50 for technical reviews. I've never actually shot with the 4K for this type of setting, so we're going to try our best. As you know, the M50 does not have great autofocus, so I'll do my best to keep things in focus. But if it does get a little blurred, that's the reason why. So for the review today, we actually got something pretty cool. I'm actually really excited about this because it's something that I need. I don't know if you guys know this, but I really enjoy microphones for singing and for doing my videos, as well as recording any voiceovers I need to do for any of my other videos. I found one of the cheapest microphones that I've ever seen, and from the reviews that I've seen on Amazon as well as eBay, I think it's actually a pretty good buy. This thing is about $30 off of Amazon and eBay. I got it the very next day, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So the tech that I have today, this is the Fifine microphone setup. This is a USB connected condenser microphone with volume control. As you can see, it's got a pretty nice little box on it. It's a very similar texture to the iPhone boxes, just a regular flat white. And it's actually probably going to be useful for me to store it whenever I don't use this microphone. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Take the top off of this. Got our Fifine microphone. Thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. That's pretty cool. They got their own website. And then you have your little user guide. That's actually a pretty good little user guide. Tells you how to configure it and everything. I'll be honest with you guys, I've never seen something this detailed, this color written, and this quality of product packaging for $30. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's pull the foam off. I'm gonna pull the box out first. I don't know. Okay. This is your XLR to USB cable for your microphone. Curious to see how that interfaces together. You've got your tripod mount. This is basically a desk condenser microphone. Yeah, not too bad. This little tripod mount. Goes to the bottom of the microphone, I assume. Oh, actually goes onto this. This is the microphone holder. Not sure how this is gonna... Okay, we'll twist this off and then mount this bad boy in. You can mount this probably on just a regular microphone mount, but I'm just gonna mount it like this because it's a nice desk setup. Oh, and then you have this little grippy part that you can use to grip the microphone. You have your, I don't know what this is called. If you guys know what this is called, the name of it, it's, I think it's like a pop filter, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. This is a pop filter, so when you pop, it doesn't do harsh sounds, I guess. That's how you would describe it. I apologize if I got that wrong. And this is the microphone. Not bad. That's not a bad little... That's a clean looking microphone right there, honestly. It's got aluminum or steel set up on there. It's got an echo volume control. Not sure how that works. That's pretty quality. This is a close-up. Let me give you guys a little close-up. The volume control right here, the echo control right here, and inside of this, I don't know if you can see it, there's a microphone pickup. That's actually pretty cool. I'll tell you what, it's got the looks going for it. It's got the looks going for it. I have seen other videos on this. I would say that the quality of this microphone is pretty good. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be doing some video game commentary, or I'll probably just be doing some video game recording with this microphone just to show you guys how it sounds. So without further ado, let's go ahead and test out the microphone while I do some video game streaming, just to see how it sounds for me as a regular gaming microphone. Most applications, that is what this is going to be used for commentary, for recording voiceovers, or anything in that nature. I'm curious to see how exactly this works for that. But first, let's go ahead and put this thing together. So we have our tripod mount right here, microphone. We're just going to clip that guy right on there. And that's how it looks. I would probably put it like this, or if you know the direction of the microphone pickup, you can probably talk into it from the side. All right, now that we have everything set up, we're gonna plug this bad boy in, like so. All right guys, so we have the microphone set up with the XLR cable connection to USB port, like so. And then we have the pop filter on there, and then we have it mounted onto the stand. So now let's take this thing upstairs and test it out with some video game commentary / streaming to see how it sounds for audio. Maybe I'll do a little music, I don't know, we'll see. It's so hot in here. Let's get inside now. 1, 2, 3, snap. All right guys, so just a quick heads up, I have the audio set to halfway. I wanted to do a quick test with this. Also, by the way, my computer's right here next to my computer recording system, so the audio from the computer is going to be filling in a little bit. I'm going to try to do my best and hold this foam here so that it's not so much audio coming in from that area, and just kind of clean it up a little bit. So we're going to test the microphone out. I want to show you guys how exactly the K058 sounds whenever you record audio. Right now I'm using my Kraken headphones, so this is the about 2-inch distance of the microphone. So test 1, 2, 3. My name's Dustin. I have a YouTube channel, and this is the audio mic test of the K058. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go back about 2 more inches just to show you guys the distance test on this. Alright guys, this is Dustin, just testing out the microphone. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm going to go pretty much an entire foot back just to give a little bit more audio pickup and show you how this sounds at that distance. Alright guys, I am about a foot away from the audio microphone, the K058. This is exactly how it sounds like. In my opinion, this is probably the way in which you would use this microphone most of the time. These distances are probably the most optimal to use this. Anything further than that, it's probably not going to be that great of audio. Now, for instance, if you're recording music, it might be okay because you're going to be singing louder and playing louder, so it'll probably pick up just everything that comes in the room, so that should be fine. But for podcasts, voiceover recording, and video game streaming, I think that is what this purpose is going to be used for. This is the test of the K058 microphone, and yeah, let's get into some video game streaming audio just to show you guys how exactly it sounds. Let's do that now. Guys, so I am back in now. Right now I want to do some quick testing with the microphone. We're going to be doing some PUBG. I wanted to show you guys how exactly it sounds. This microphone, it's got these cool little features on it with these dials on the front of it, like here. Let me show you how it looks. You got these 2 controls. You have the echo control, and then you also have the volume control. I probably have it at about 10% right now because it seems like it's very sensitive on how much you turn it up. But we're going to try this out. Let me see if I can adjust it. So if I adjust it about this much, it seems to pick up too much audio. So I'm going to go down to about 1/3 of the way. And I think that should be okay. I don't want to get too close to it and create too much audio feedback or create it to where it's too loud and picks up too much audio, but this is pretty much my test of this audio. So we're really just going to jump into this game. I just want to show you guys how exactly it sounds. I'm turning the desktop audio as low as I can and recording the audio itself from the microphone directly to Audacity so that I can actually create audio files, which could be WAV files or even some high quality m50s. The biggest thing is that I wanted to do is show how much audio quality there is with as low compression as possible. So this is actually one of my favorite maps. Probably not going to go too crazy here, but I just wanted to show you guys how exactly it sounds for a gamer status, but as well, I think a lot of people would really enjoy this microphone for podcasting, doing voiceovers, even recording vlogs like I'm doing right now, just using your camera pointed directly at you, talking to the microphone. So I'm just going to jump real quick right here. Might get shot right off the back. We'll see. I'm doing my best not to get too close to the microphone to where the audio is too high, but I did want to show you guys a realistic sound test with this. Also, by the way, the kids are in the background right now, probably screaming their heads off, so you'll hear a lot of that. Okay, so I'm at a house right now. Looks like I got one guy over there. Let's go find him as soon as possible. There he is. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh. Well, I guess I'll just shoot him. There we go. Easy as pie, boys. 1 kill. I guess he was AFK or maybe he just gave up. I feel kind of bad about that, but hey. Okay. We are inside circle. Pretty good. By the way, I got the Shroud skin. Going back to pick up the rest of that weaponry. There was like a whole bunch of AKs up on the table, so I'll grab that. Looks like it's all of it. more houses up here. Maybe more people up here. We'll find out. We've got nothing as far as sites go. Let's see what happens. So I'm trying to check the audio as I'm using the microphone. I'm a little worried that the microphone is very picky as to the distance you are away from it. So we'll see how that matters or not. I hate playing solo. Ooh, somebody at the top of the hill. See if I can run on him. We'll find out what happens, guys. See if he notices me. Mm-hmm. Hey, that was kind of a weird tell. Alright, let's get out of here before somebody sees me again. He's probably pissed. Alright, that was a good kill. Feel good about that. Alright guys, that is the review for the K058 for today. All in all, I think this microphone's a pretty good little microphone, especially for $30. It's probably one of the best that I've found. The next one up, you can probably see that Fifine has some really good prices on their microphones, and I would definitely suggest that you guys check them out. This is the Fifine K058. They have lots of other different models, but this thing, for a budget-friendly option, I think is amazing. And if you guys are looking for a microphone to start out podcasting or getting better audio on your YouTube videos, feel free to check it out on their website or at Amazon. Yeah, I give this a big thumbs up. Love it. Sounds really good, and the quality is amazing. One suggestion I would suggest, turn the microphone to about half. Turn the boost of your microphone on your computer down to about 25, and just pretty much later in post you can push up the audio levels, audio gain on the output, and you should be all set with the audio for this thing. And that should about do it for the audio that you need. Thank you so much guys for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll definitely answer them as fast and as soon as possible. And if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Thanks so much guys, and have a great day. Peace.